Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a grandma hanger unboxing video, and I can't wait to see what she found this time. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenna. I'm a full-time Poshmark seller, and I do a lot of thrifting and reselling content here on this YouTube channel. I actually just got back in town from Las Vegas. I went this past weekend with one of my best friends, and we had such an amazing time. It was really nice because I totally disconnected. I didn't do any social media. I didn't do any work as far as Poshmark goes. And I just took the 3 days to really enjoy myself. And yeah, we had a great time. We went to the Gwen Stefani show. We got massages. We did a little bit of partying. And here I am back at home and refreshed and recharged. So I think it's really important just to take that time for yourself sometimes. And I sometimes forget to do so, but I did it this weekend and I'm really happy. So anyways, I have a box of inventory that I came home to from Grandma Hanger. I am so thankful that I have such supportive family and friends, and yeah, I can't wait to see what's in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys and go through the contents and just see what she found, and I'll be listing this stuff over on my Poshmark closet. So let's get into the video. Opening up the box, and it is full. It's pretty heavy. I would say this is at least 10 pounds of clothing. And this first item looks like a sweater of some sort. So it is a really cool, just colorful knit sweater. I don't see a tag on it. It does have this really nice, like, I don't know what you would call that, just like design in the lining, but it doesn't look like there's a tag of any kind. But I do really like the color and the style of this. I do sell a lot of like grandpa style sweaters, which are just these more like crew neck kind of crazy sweaters. So I think this goes along with the style in my closet, and this would just be really cute on. I might even model it just to show it in a different way. So I do like this find from her. It's something a little different. She's stepping out with stuff that might not be like branded or have any kind of tag in it, but I think I'll probably list this one around $35. It's just a really nice color combination. Okay, the next item. Ooh, I like this a lot. This is very like bohemian, kind of Western, definitely my style. It feels like suede. It's a really nice skirt. Okay, I think it goes actually like this, if you can see. So it's suede and it has these crochet panels, and then it also has a drawstring in the front. I absolutely love this. This is perfect for festival season. It's by a brand called Warehouse, which is from the UK. I actually studied abroad in London, and I remember them having a bunch of stores, warehouse stores that I'd shop in. So it's a US size 6. It is 100% leather. And there is the tag. But this is something that I would say she probably picked up based on style versus brand, just because I do sell a lot of stuff that has like the crochet detailing, and it would look really cool with a graphic tee or a tank. So I'm probably going to list this one around maybe $40 since it's leather, maybe $45. It's really nice. Okay, on to some denim. I love some denim cutoffs in the summertime. These are some really nice brand new with tags shorts, and these are by Madewell. I really like selling Madewell denim, and these are called the high-rise denim shorts, and they're a size 32, which is great. I love selling all sizes. I do find that sometimes the larger sizes sell faster, but honestly any size works for me. So what's nice is that they put the style name right there, and then of course there's like the Madewell tag in the back. I'm gonna look up this particular pair, but I'll probably list these around $40 to $45 since they are new with tags. They probably retail somewhere around at least $60. So great find there. Of course, it wouldn't be a grandma hanger box without some Lululemon. So I can already tell by picking up this pair of pants that they are a pair of Lululemon pants, and they look like some kind of jogger style maybe. Or no, maybe they're a little bit wider at the bottom. These actually might be men's. So I do think this particular pair is a men's style. I'm gonna look up a little bit more about it online, but they have these nice flat pockets in the back, and I'll do a little more digging in the pockets to find the size and everything like that, but I'll probably list these around $35 to $40 for some men's Lululemon. I find that men's Lululemon sells faster than women's lately, so I really appreciate that. Okay, the next thing it looks like is a pair of shorts. No, it's a skirt. Sometimes black is hard to show on camera, so hopefully you can see the details of this, but it looks like a almost utility style little mini skirt. This is the back of it, and it's got the flat pockets on it, and let's see if there's a tag in here. Ooh, okay, so this is by EMPTYHANGER, and EMPTYHANGER, I'm pretty sure it's an Australian brand. I have sold one thing by them before. They're really famous for their like teddy coats that were big last year, and I think they sometimes sell it at Urban Outfitters, but they also sell it on their own website as well. So here's the tag. I don't see a size tag in here. I'm gonna have to do a little more research, but here's what their brand tag looks like. So I'll have to do a little more research on what to price this at as well, since I'm just not as familiar, but I have been really liking selling skirts lately. I've sold some maxi skirts and I've picked up a few mini skirts myself, so I do like this find by her. And then another, what looks like Lululemon, and again, I believe this is a men's Lululemon. It's a really pretty like burgundy red color, and it's got the Henley neckline, and this one, and you can just tell right there that it's a size small. Again, probably like $35 on that long sleeve, and it looks like there's another one right behind it. So this is another men's Lululemon long sleeve, and this is just that Swiftly Tech material they're kind of known for. It's got the logo on the back of it, and this one's a size medium, so again, it just says it in the lining if it's missing the tag. So small in the Henley, a medium in the blue one, again probably $35 on this one. Ooh, I see a lot of stuff jam-packed in the bottom of this box. Okay, we've got another pair of denim cutoff shorts. Perfect for this time of year. I love these, like I said earlier. These are acid wash, so they're more distressed and they have the fraying. And then you can see the brand right there. These are by Wild Fox and they are a size 24. So these I'll probably list around, I don't know, maybe $35. I'm gonna look up Wild Fox shorts. I don't think I've ever sold any denim by them before. Usually just like their sweatsuits and stuff, but it's a pretty popular brand. Okay, getting into some tops, and this next one, ooh, this is really fun. This is a really pretty embellished Hamsa Tee. So it's got the Hamsa on the front, and it's totally like studded and embellished and jeweled. It's really pretty. It's by Lauren Moshi. It looks like Lauren Moshi for Aqua, which is a Bloomingdale's line, so it's like a collaboration item. There's the tag, and this one is a size small, and it's in perfect condition. Lauren Moshi stuff is very expensive. I have some other stuff for sale in my closet right now. Her tees retail for around $90 or so, so I'll probably list this one around like $40 or $45 because it is so unique and it's embellished. It looks like it's in excellent condition. I'm gonna have to inspect and make sure all the crystals are there, but I really like that one. And then another graphic tank top. This one says pleasure on it, and it's more of like a loose fit kind of muscle style. Be really cute with leggings, and it's by a brand called Zoe Carson, who actually is more of like a, I don't know, higher end trendy designer. So again, really high quality, and that's in really good condition as well. So I'll probably list this one around $35. I'm gonna look up that exact style. Okay, next up is another pair of shorts, which I love. I mean, I'll sell stuff year round, but I really like selling stuff that is currently in season just because it tends to sell faster. So it looks like Grandma found some Lululemon women's shorts. These are really pretty, blue and black. They almost look like animal print, kind of, and these are a size 12, which is awesome because 12, I'm pretty sure, is the largest size Lululemon makes, and it is harder to find, so these should sell really well. The size is just in the little pocket there, and I will probably list these around $35 or $40. I see some shoes and accessories, which is great, but I found, okay, a couple more t-shirts. So this one is Queen Bohemian Rhapsody. This one's really cool. I haven't seen this graphic before, and it is super, super soft. Sorry, I keep dropping everything. It's a size medium. It doesn't really have a tag, so it's just the size tag on there, but excellent condition, really soft, just a great classic band tee. I'll probably list this one around $25 to $30. Okay, and it's one more men's Lululemon item. So it is a men's Lululemon sleeveless tank. It just has the logo on the back there. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is men's. I feel like I say that every time that I don't know if it's men's or women's, but just based on the cut of it, it looks like a men's kind of muscle tee. So that will probably go for around $30. So next there are some shoes and bags in the bottom. She did really well with shoes last time, so I think she's on the hunt for more shoes. And this pair of shoes, this brand, I have never sold before or found it, but I have heard of it. So if you can see right there, it's Hoka. Or I think you say it as Hoka, and they are just some running shoes, and these are in amazing condition. They look like they've barely been worn. Lots of tread still on them. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little more research. They're a size 10.5, and I'm not sure if they're men's or women's because I don't know a lot about these shoes. So it looks like there's a style number or a style name on the inside tag here. So I'll look that up, and then I'll look up pricing and things like that. But I do really like these. I don't sell a ton of sneakers, but I think these go really well with the stuff in my closet and all the athletic wear she found, so that's a good find. And then I see some crazy printed sneakers. Look at these things. They are like a chevron zigzag print, and they're high top sneakers, and they're actually Allbirds, which she found a pair of Allbird flats in her last box. I still haven't found Allbirds at the thrift store, but Grandma has now found them twice. So these are really cool. I've never seen any like this online. And let's see, they are a women's size 6. And it doesn't have the style name in here. It says TT, which might have something to do with the style, but I'll look these up and see what they go for. But the bottom, they look amazing and practically like new. And Allbirds are super comfortable. I actually have a pair myself, and I wear them all the time. So I'm probably gonna list these around $60, $65, but again, I need to do some research. And then, oh my gosh, I can't believe what is in this box next, because if you watched the last video with Grandma Hanger, she found a shoe brand I've also been looking for a long time, and it looks like she found them again. So this is another pair of Rothy's. I don't know if you can see the name on the inside, but it has the name on the bottom as well, and these are a size 6. The last one sold super fast. I think the last ones might have been either a 6 or a 6.5. And these feel different. The last ones were like pointy toe, and they had a more flexible sole. These have, I don't know, like a little more structure, and they feel almost like a knit. So I need to look up the style. Yeah, it just says 100% recycled textile upper, rubber sole, and there's hardly anywhere like at all on the end of the heel. There might be a little bit of rubbing, but they look like they're in amazing condition. So I'll look up the style and see what these go for, but wow, Grandma found Rothy's again. So she's a Lululemon magnet, and now she's a Rothy's and an Allbirds magnet, so good for her. I hope I still find them one day. And then the last thing that is in here is a bag, and this is a Kabu Backpack. I love selling these bags. I've sold a bunch of them before on Poshmark. They usually sell pretty quickly in like the $30 to $35 range, and I really like the print on this one. It's almost like a graphic arrow chevron print, and it looks like it's in amazing condition. I'm just gonna open it up real quick. They are really easy to wash. I've washed them before, but this one actually looks like it's barely ever been used. So I'm probably gonna list this one on the higher side at like 35 or so, just because it is in excellent condition. So that is it for this box from Grandma Hanger. Again, she hit it out of the park, and I love the fact that she is kind of experimenting with stuff that fits the style of my closet, like that leather skirt and also the sweater that looks like other sweaters I'm selling, because I think sometimes it can be hard to find, you know, specific brands or things that you're looking for, but if you have a style in mind, then sometimes it can open your eyes to other possibilities. That's why I really like having a curated closet and having more of that like boho western casual style, because then I can incorporate other things into my closet that might not necessarily be a brand, but are really cool from the thrift store. So kudos to Grandma for her amazing finds. Definitely give this video a thumbs up and let her know you enjoyed seeing her box and you'd love to see more in the future. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comment section below. And please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!